Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your IHG credit card accounts. And it's pretty simple, so just follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that subscribe to our channel and like this video, and let's move on. First step, you want to search this chase.com/IHG. If you do not know what I'm saying, you can pause the video and see which URL I have written. This is the URL which will take you to the official website, so make sure you enter it correctly. You can pause the video to watch it as I said. And once you search for chase.com/IHG, it'll bring you to this page. Once you're over here, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner. You can click on it and it'll take you to the login section of it. Now once you're in this page, you need to enter the username of your account. Once you do that, you need to enter the password of your account. Once you do it, just click on sign in. You should be able to log in into your IHG credit card account. And if you forgot your username or password, you can click on it to recover them as well. And if you want to create an account or sign up for IHG credit card, you can click on it to do that. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your IHG credit card account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.